Okay, sorry about that. This is Lyn from Lyn's Crafts. On last Monday's video, I did the water slide decal, but unfortunately, my camera cut off putting on the water slide decal. So, this is the water slide decal paper that has been spray coated with several coats of the clear acrylic sealer, which this just happens to be Krylon. So you can see it's got a really nice glossy surface. So I'm gonna do another one. I'm just gonna do the water slide decal on for you. So even though I don't do pink, I'm really drawn to this this Marie Antoinette image. So, why not just cut these all down, because then they would be easier to deal with. Sorry. Okay. Now this is similar in weight to like a cardstock, like a Walmart cardstock. You have to do the spray sealer or it doesn't work. So I've done the spray sealer, like I said, like 3 or 4 times and let it dry in between. You just let it soak after it's dry for like 30 seconds, just enough. You'll kind of saturate the back, but you'll get it to separate from the back paper. It'll be well, like when you used to do models as a kid. I know not many of you did, but I did. It's the same technique, basically. This one in particular, they do have 2 different types. They've got the white, which is probably what I should have gone for, but I went for the clear. Now, the clear is actually clear, so the printing won't necessarily print where it's white. So it will need to go on a gessoed background. That being said, you'll want to trim down to the very edge. Or else you'll get all this transparent water slide decal around the edge. If that's what you want, then you can go for it that way. But I'm going to trim it down. Okay, trim it down, and then I will go and dunk it in water. Now, these images all came from the Graphic Fairy, which I absolutely love her site. It's a combination. It's a free site, but it's also a paid for site. So if you pay for a membership, you'll get exclusive rights to all her content. There is a lot on the free side, however. So, as you can tell, this has got a signature at the bottom. If that bothers you, you can cover it up when you do your work. But for me, it doesn't really bother me. It just makes it look like a portrait. And it's really pretty. I just love it. There are several of the Marie Antoinettes in different portraits. Some are in blue and really pretty. I didn't print that actually. But I'll soak this in water and be right back. No. I'll prepare the bottle. I'll get my stuff together and be right back. Okay, now I'm going to put this in water. And it literally only takes like 30 seconds. A minute max, but I'm even using cold water, so it really only takes a few seconds. It will curl up in the beginning. It won't try to stick to itself or anything like that. You can make it lay back down, flip it over, whatever you want to do. And then it will, the whole surface will start to slide away from the paper backing. So keep it on the paper backing till we add it to the bottle. I'll be right back.